what color?
Yellow.
Y-E-L-L-O-W. What number?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. What number?
8.
You are helpful.
Always.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fortune teller. All you need is some paper and scissors. First, you take the right corner and put it to the left side. Make sure it's even. Then you take your scissors and cut the excess off. After you cut it, it will look like a square. Then you fold this top to the bottom to make it look like a burger. Then you fold this side to the other side to make it look like a hot dog. Then you fold these corners to the middle. Then you flip this over and fold all these corners to the middle. Always make sure they're even. Then you flip it again and you fold this like this and you fold it like this. Then you put your pointer fingers and your thumbs inside these squares. Then ta-da! It's your fortune teller. You can even design it if you want. You can put numbers, colors, and inside these little flaps you can put writings, or you can just do anything you want. This is how it looks when you're done. And this is how we designed it. Mommy, what color?
Yellow.
Y-E-L-L-O-W. What number?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. What number?
3.
You are respectful.
Yes, I am.